Hello, and welcome to Storytime with Speech and Smile. I'm Miss Stephanie, and I'll be reading your story today. Today's story is The Rainbow Fish. I absolutely love this story and the message that it shares, and I hope you enjoy it too. We're going to be using our Say and Play Story Kit mini objects. So if you have yours, why don't you go ahead and get them out, and we'll get started. The Rainbow Fish. The rainbow fish was the most beautiful fish in the sea, but he never played with the other fish. I'm too beautiful, he thought. Once a little blue fish asked for one of his shining scales, but the rainbow fish just laughed. Never, he said. After that, the other fish swam away from him. The rainbow fish was all alone. He went to the starfish for help. Why doesn't anybody like me? He asked. Go ask the octopus, said the starfish. She is very wise. The octopus said, give away your shining scales. You won't be as beautiful, but you will have friends. I can't do that, cried the rainbow fish. Suddenly, the little blue fish was back. Please, he said, could I have just one scale? Well, the rainbow fish thought, maybe just one tiny little scale. The little blue fish was so pleased. It made the rainbow fish feel happy. Soon all the fish came, and the rainbow fish gave away his scales one by one. Finally, he had only one shining scale left. But now, as he swam off to play with his friends, he was the happiest fish in the sea. Thank you so much for joining me as we were reading The Rainbow Fish. What a beautiful story with beautiful pictures and an even more beautiful message. It's something that we can all learn from, that when we have something special, it's always better if we can share it with those around us. I hope you enjoyed it as well. And you also enjoyed using our Say and Play mini objects. You can find this kit along with many others at speechandsmile.com. And if you enjoyed this video, why don't you go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel. And until next time, make it a great day.